You tired of playing Texas Hold'em and feel like trying out something new? Today we're talking about Omaha. Hey guys, it's Eric here with CACasino.com. When it comes to the overall popularity, Omaha is Texas Hold'em's biggest competitor. This is mainly because of the uniquely different play style and the experience it has to offer. You have higher chances of landing bigger hands, therefore increasing the excitement level that players experience and making betting rounds far more dynamic. Now, I know you're a real fan of the channel and you've probably already watched our previous poker episodes. But if not, I suggest you do so as they're going to really help you understand the basics of Omaha. The fundamental difference between playing Omaha and Texas Hold'em is nothing other than the number of hole cards you are dealt and how to use them to make your final hand in the showdown. In Texas Hold'em, you get 2 cards, but in Omaha, you're dealt 4. You must use 2 of these cards to create a 5-card hand with the community cards in the center. In other words, in Hold'em, you are free to use as many or as few hole cards and community cards as you want in order to construct your hand. Whereas in Omaha, it's 2. Regardless of this, normal rules apply here, and the player with the highest ranked hand is the one who wins and eventually takes the pot. My advice to you is to carefully consider the number of players still in the round and the cards before making a bet or making a call. Remember that every player has 4 cards and the likelihood of having a high hand is exponentially higher than in Texas Hold'em. Also, make sure to pay close attention to your blocker cards as they can really prevent or limit the combinations your opponents can make to beat your hand. Cards in your hole that don't necessarily help your hand construction may still decrease your opponent's odds of making that set or that flush. In my opinion, this version of poker is great for new players trying to understand how to build a hand. Now, Omaha comes in a lot of variations, but in this video, we're going to stick to pot limit and no limit. So before buying in, make sure you know the version of the game that you're actually playing. The difference is quite straightforward. Pot limit is more evenly paced and better suited for low stakes players just starting out, as it restricts the amount of chips a player may make or raise in a hand. But personally, I prefer the no limit variation. There's no betting cap whatsoever, and you can say all in and potentially make or ruin your day. So, will you try it? Let us know in the comments down below. My name is Eric, wishing you guys luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.